Hello, beautiful soul, and welcome to this guided meditation that will help you feel centered, settled, and at peace, no matter what storm may be passing through or what season of life you may be in right now. No matter the chaos, there is always a way to access your peace within. So let's do that here today. I'm so glad you're here, dear one. If we haven't met yet, I'm Carolyn, spiritual mentor, and this channel is all about helping you still your mind and awaken your soul while using the healing energy of horses as our guide. Before we begin, dear one, let your eyes gaze over the images of the horses who will be coming along with you throughout this meditation. Let their soulful strength and their powerful presence wash over you. Feel yourself being bathed in a healing light that is calm, confident, peaceful, and present. Horses are prey animals. They must remain in the present moment, calm yet alert, in order to respond if or when it is needed. For them, there is no yesterday, there is no tomorrow, there is only right now. Let this wisdom of the horses merge with you now as you get yourself comfortable, whether it's sitting or lying down. Follow what feels good to you right now, and then whenever you're ready, gently allow your eyes to close. Begin by taking a deep, cleansing breath in and a soft, releasing breath out. Let yourself arrive here, in this moment, in this space you have intentionally created for yourself. Give yourself acknowledgement for taking this space and this time and dedicating it to connecting to the deeper and wiser part of you. Take another deep cleansing breath in and a soft releasing breath out. Settle your body. Arrive with your awareness. Pay attention to the stillness that is here the moment you arrive. Bring your awareness to your head and face and neck, and then notice if there are any areas here that could use some tender attention. Soften your forehead, soften your ears, relax and soften your jaw. Release and relax your face and let all of this tension in your head melt out and away and down through your neck, and let your shoulders melt back and down, taking with it any tightness in your ribs or your belly. Let them soften and continue down, taking away any tension in your hips and moving down and taking with it anything else you need to let go of as you continue down your legs, over your knees, and down to your ankles and feet, till you finally soften the bottoms of your feet and let go. All at once, let all the tension from everywhere in your body slip down and away and into the earth. Let your loving attention allow the tension in your body to release. You don't need it. You can let it go now. Bring your awareness now back up to your heart. Feel your heart beating. Feel your lungs breathing. Feel your body working for you. And feel yourself softening for it. That is all that it asks. Soft body, soft mind. You don't need to work hard at finding peace. You don't need to work hard at creating it. You just need to not work, to let go and let it be there as it always is. Stay with your breath. Let it be soft and slow. And take your time here on your own to sink into the peace even more that is within you at all times. And then whenever you're ready, come back to the room and gently open your eyes. I hope this meditation helped you feel more at peace, no matter what may be happening in your life right now. Please let me know in the comments if it was supportive for you, as it really does mean so much to me to hear from you. And if you'd like to go deeper with getting out of your head and back into your heart, then I invite you to take advantage of my free 3-day mini course, Master Your Energy. You can click on the link in the description. And as always, if you receive any benefit from this meditation, please show it some love by clicking like and subscribe, as this really does help me create more of them for you. Thank you so much for listening, dear one. Have a beautiful day.